911, what is the address of your emergency?
Mansfield campus. Ohio State Mansfield campus.
Okay, hold on, let me transfer you. But do you need an ambulance or the police?
We need police.
Hold on, let me transfer you.
Okay. I'm calling 911.
State Patrol, Dispatch Phillips.
Hi, someone just kidnapped a girl on campus with a gun.
Holy crap.
On campus?
Yes, on campus, in the parking lot.
Where at?
In the parking lot on campus.
Which parking lot?
Parking lot 2.
Parking lot 2?
They're already gone. They stole her. They put her in a car and pointed a gun.
Okay, were they driving
a Hawker. Red Dodge Challenger. I didn't get the license plate. A Florida license plate. It had a star with an S. I don't know if that means anything to you.
Okay.
It started with an S.
Which way did they exit? Did they exit towards 39 or did they exit towards...
Yeah, it's that way. I don't know, they went towards, like, Ontario.
Okay. Your name?
I didn't see it. It was... What's your name?
Doesn't have a cell phone?
He's with me right now.